Mustang Coupe.
38, 37. Yeah, they do in chronological order. How cool is that? This is like oh wait, South. I don't have the boards on these right now, guys, so I can't tell you exactly what they are, but some of you might recognize. They're the plates too, the original plates. What was the name of the museum in LA? The Peterson Museum. This is like the Peterson Museum on steroids, in my opinion, because the Peterson Museum is awesome and they've got tours and everything. Do you guys do tours? Do you like to take people around and like talk to them yet? Like this?
We do a tour like this.
Okay.
And we don't charge for admission.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, don't charge for admission. You can come out here for a day with your son, look at cars, read about them. What's up with the bicycles?
Just interesting pieces.
Interesting. Interesting. I hope he watches these videos because I'm giving his collection honor, I think. Hello. What are you putting your hand on my lens for?
You have your light on.
Why did you do that?
You have your light on.
Get your hands out of my lens! Jeez, these guys, I'm telling you. I'm messing with you. We're both getting a little tired, just because we've seen so many cars.
This is one of the pride of their collection.
1905 Oldsmobile Model B curved dash.
That's the real deal.
Wow.
Tiller steering.
Where do you know where he found? Oh yeah, let me turn my light off. You're right. I know. I appreciate the feedback. I just wanted to bust your chops a little bit. That's what I do. 1909 Oldsmobile Model 20 Touring Sedan. 1929 Oldsmobile 4-door sedan. Wow. That's like right out of the Capone, right? And the mobsters. That's the 1929 was when was Prohibition? I can't remember. I can't remember the year for Prohibition.
I don't know.
Oh, we're getting behind the fence?
Well,
is it locked?
I would like to go back here.
When was Prohibition, guys? Please put the answer to that on the bottom, or
It's locked down.
I'll Google search it. There's the answer when Prohibition was. And this car was made in 1929, Oldsmobile. 1934 Oldsmobile 4-door touring sedan. 1938. Told you we're just going to drive and just keep pointing out cars. 1948 Oldsmobile 98 4-door sedan. And he's opening the gates. How cool is this? See? This is very cool. Oh, is this behind the curtain?
Yeah.
This is behind the curtain?
Yeah, I don't know if I can let you.
Video it?
Yeah.
I'm not allowed?
Wow.
How do you know? Can you make a phone call?
Yeah.
You can't make a phone call?
Yeah. It's not cars anyway.
It's not cars?
No.
Oh, now I'm really interested behind the
I know, but you gotta turn the camera off.
I gotta turn the camera off?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm sorry. I'm about to have an experience I can't share with you, so it is what it is. This is a teaser without the answer.